as for our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, this week we have package.json upgrade. So this is a module that right in your package.json will show a little tooltip next to each package telling you if there is a patch upgrade, minor upgrade, major upgrade, and even gives you a little, what is it called, light bulb that you can click and say, hey, do this upgrade for me. A great way to
Yeah.
keep on track of it. It's like running the npm outdated command in your command line, but it's right next to it so you can compare versions very easily. And I'll be honest, when I saw this, my first thought was, I want this for, ForgeBox. And I even
Well,
went and tried to
I was
look
going to
at,
say, Jacob, if you haven't seen it, you're about to.
what?
But I mean, obviously, we have the command, just like the outdated. You can do an update, you know,
Uh-huh.
and that command will work. You can see it. But yeah, we should totally turn this into a little extension, part of the VS Code extension. Would be great. So
Yeah,
awesome.
I even for a second thought I could do this. This is a small enough extension. It'd be interesting to learn VS Code extension, and this is open source. I can go look at the code. And I went and looked at the code and realized I haven't done enough JavaScript uh, development in a while. It's full of TypeScript. It's full of like 30 files. I don't know. I didn't think it would be that big, so maybe not. We'll
Yep,
see.
I'm already sending it to Jacob right now. I'm like, we need to add this to the VS Code extension, and I'm sending it to him. So don't worry, Eric. I got you covered. Jacob will take care of it.
All
We've
right.
all told him you're gonna get this done.
Thank you
So
in advance, Jacob.
yep,
So,
for sure. But
so
it's
package
super
JSON
cool.
upgrade today. ForgeBox JSON upgrade, some coming soon.
Yep, we'll put them to work and say you can't come out until you finished it. No Super Bowl for you. Kansas City fans can stay in their box until you get that done. So, anyways, but yep. So great little package. Again, I know a lot of us do JSON. Sorry, a lot of us is doing JavaScript one way or the other. So it's nice to have something like that. And plus, it really shows you how scary old some of your stuff is, because it doesn't take long to be way behind on this stuff.
Oh
So,
gosh, it is.
so I mean,
Yeah.
like the dependent bot, man. The dependent bot on GitHub is awesome, except for it emails you like all the time, and so you kind of like get that there are too many, just too much noise, and you just kind of ignore it. But there's just so much. So anyway,
Yeah, I'm right with you. I've pulled up. I'm a big fan of Inertia JS. I pulled up an app because they had
mm-hmm.
a new version, and I'm like, okay. I'm going in expecting to just upgrade Inertia and a couple other dependencies. I think everything had at least a patch release, and half of them had major release updates. And I was like, I wasn't ready for this. I'll come back later. So,
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the